Hi, my name is Abena Osei-Wusu, and I'm a board-certified cardiologist and interventional cardiologist working in cardiovascular drug development. I've been a member of WOCIP for a couple of years now, and it has truly been a wonderful experience and a great addition to my professional development to be a member. I've learned so much, particularly about bringing my authentic self to work and how that elevates the work that I do. It's really wonderful to be a part of this organization and to be surrounded by such wonderful company. I provide clinical expertise from a cardiovascular perspective while overseeing the execution of cardiovascular trials and also ensuring the safety of subjects participating in cardiovascular clinical trials. The drug development process can be quite lengthy, and in the United States, it takes an average of 12 years for a drug to go from a concept in a laboratory through animal and human trials and eventually to the pharmacy after being deemed to be safe and effective. During this process, it is important to test your drug in a diverse patient population so underlying genetic differences that may affect the drug's safety or efficacy are detected as soon as possible. When a study protocol is being designed, this is the best time to ensure that criteria are sufficiently broad and that minority populations are not being inadvertently excluded. We do have an issue of underrepresentation of minority populations and women in cardiovascular clinical trials. The vast majority of studies conducted disproportionately enroll white men. We need to recruit more diverse clinical trial populations reflective of the populations who will eventually use the drug under study. These are 4 critical actions that companies can take to increase engagement and participation of members of the Black and Latino communities in clinical trials. Ensure that clinical trial sites include geographic locations with a higher concentration of racial and ethnic minority patients to recruit a more diverse study population. Incorporate strategies for community engagement and education. Make trial participation less burdensome for patients and streamline study design to reduce the frequency of study visits to only those needed to monitor safety and efficacy. Work directly with communities to address patient needs and to involve patient advocates and caregivers in the design of clinical trial protocols. Patients may provide invaluable insight into challenges and burdens and may be more willing to accept risk for a potential benefit as long as the risks are clearly communicated in the informed consent. Improving diversity in clinical trials is greatly important, and we look forward to the day where our study designs are reflective of the populations who are treated with our drugs. Take this information back to your organizations and see what you can do to help improve clinical trial diversity.